Tuesday morning. I'm preparing for my intra workout. The workout for this cage, intra workout. Cage intra workout. 1 scoop of this and then creatine monohydrate. 5 grams only. Grams of creatine. Here, creatine, 5 grams and then 1 scoop of, sorry,